here, I'm using it. But this looks weird, doesn't it? One train starts from here and one starts from here. It actually is a little bit weird, actually, because this one is way shorter. This one I need to push through. But for the other one, they have a downhill and they go so quick. So that's why I made a trap for the other one, like here. So if the other one, I'm gonna try to catch the other one, but then if it doesn't make it, I need to restart it from the middle. Zoom it down here, and I'm gonna try to do the trap. If it makes it, it's gonna jump from here, year one, all the way to here. And whoever touches the T first is the winner. There's gonna be like about 5 races or so, but it won't be long. So first up, Halloween Caboose versus Boston Tea. I forgot to tell you, I'm starting the downhills for later because watch how fast the Caboose goes. That was fast.
Yeah, that was pretty fast.
Wait, I just need to take this off. Pause the video.
Okay. Good.
Okay, so that one was a little bit not fair because this one was too high up with a caboose. So that's why. I don't know what that happened, but I just.
Whoa, go Boston Tea. Wow.
So Boston Tea makes it to the next round. And that means it's up against this guy.
Ooh, all right. Let's see it.
Down below. And whoever wins goes up above, but whoever loses goes down low. But if a loser doesn't make it, it goes in here. And it can't make it back. So I'm going to start this guy off right here and now.
Whoa.
It overtook this
Wow, yeah, I saw that. That was,
and
wow.
Boston Tea's the winner. Ooh, Boston Tea's winner again.
So who's Boston Tea going to race now?
Boston Tea's going to race something. Something that looks like it has the same nose, but a little bit less soft.
Ooh, let's see. Can you show us?
It looks like its cousin, but a different
fairly
color.
similar. So maybe this will be a better race, better matched race.
Yeah, but
Let's
this
see.
one's a high speed and this one's diesel. Wow, it's already up to here. Let's just there it goes, Seal Express.
Whoa, Seal Express won. Wow.
I guess if you
Big upset there.
yeah, but Boston Tea, you still make it to the next round. You still make it to one of the next rounds. So
Ooh.
Sorry, that was just a phone alarm. I don't know who it was. That was seating. That was seating. So that one's right here. Ooh!
Whoa, that I was not expecting.
Well, because this train dropped, so that means replay. But that means right here, and then he's gonna be right here this time. A little closer. Ooh, but this one, it looked like it would win, but this one stopped right here, so I'm just gonna push it. But I think, the Seal Express makes it to the next round. Even though it did seem fair, well, I forgot to put the Seal Express. So the Seal Express makes it to the next round up against Percy. From Thomas and
All right,
Friends.
honey, I'm gonna need to stop filming pretty soon. Okay, so is this the last round?
About two or one more round.
Okay.
So Percy on the go. And this is gonna be different.
Oh.
But this train collapsed. So Percy might be the winner, guys. But you never know. Look. Martin, can we restart? Boss? No, but Seal Express restarts, but Seal Express blocked Percy from getting it advances. But since Percy lost, I'm giving it up against this guy right here. And I'm timing this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa.
I'm timing this one 5 seconds. Ooh, 4. So Percy won 2. So now let's go on to Boston T versus Percy. This time Boston T's underneath. But and Boston T.
Whoa. All right, Boston T got the T.
You know, that one was timed, so it doesn't count as for the races. But Boston T was underneath. Percy was catching up, but it looked like Boston T blocked Percy from winning, and Percy fell off. So in our next race, we're gonna have Mallard versus the Poor Express. This is gonna be weird because they have tenders. I don't know what the tenders will do. Because let me just get this. So I'm putting Mallard underneath. And I'm starting off first because these things take off really fast. But you know what? Poor Express is like faster than a high-speed bullet train. You know why? Because it goes up to 241 or 42 miles per hour. Sorry, that's my dog. So,